welcome to Audrey channel. Today I'm still in China and this is a copycat of Kinder. In China, made in China. Give you a close up.
Yes.
3, 1.
It really looks like Kinder, right? The
But
color.
it's fake.
Yeah, it's fake. It's the color.
Let's open it.
Yeah, sure, and the shape is big. It's a giant.
It's not openable.
Really?
Take scissors.
You tear it off.
No, I can't tear it off. It says opened here. They can't open it. See, it's a copycat.
Yeah, you need some help now? Okay. Wow, it's difficult. Oh! I try my best. I'm trying my best at the back of the camera, right?
Open it! Open it! Open it! Open it! Open it! Open it! Yay! Give me! Whoa, 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 whoa! Okay. Wow! It's better. We got some Peppa Pig ones. They bought the toys and then they put it in the Kinder. Let's open it and see.
What else? You got a Jello?
Yeah, she got Jello.
What kind of candy?
I think, let me try one, but I have to try to play this toy. There's so much stickers.
So many
Let's
pieces of
show you.
sticker, yeah.
This, most of the, I think this one. How do you play this? Oh, this is so dangerous.
Yeah. But still a piece of plastic.
It's not plastic, it's metal. I know how to play this. Yes.
Can we have a close up of that toy?
Yeah.
It's kind of like for the ninja.
No, it's not interesting. Take it out. They bought it before they gave it to us. I mean us. They bought it before they gave it to us. Oh no, it's on the other side.
No, it doesn't work.
They give us a broken toy. Oh no, I know now. Here? No, it has to be on the other side. Maybe the 2 big ones here. The 2 small ones. They give us a broken toy. I don't know how to play it.
Well, never mind.
Maybe we can do it this.
Yes.
See, it's broken.
You want a Jello or you want somebody to eat a
Try
Jello?
this. Let's try the bug candy. See what's inside. The
Taste?
chocolate is way down here.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
You want to eat it now? Smell good or smell
It's
bad?
Kinder chocolate, maybe.
The chocolate is chocolate with milk.
It's so hard.
Yeah, maybe today is so cold. The chocolate is more hotter.
Oh.
You got 2 pieces, right? Chocolate, 2 pieces of chocolate, and 1 Jello, and 4 pieces of sticker.
How is this broken?
Yeah, never mind.
Are they crazy? Let's try. See?
Yeah.
Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let me finish biting first. Cut the camera.
Chocolates taste good. We love chocolates.
It's so hard to bite, so my mouth is so dark.
Yeah, I can see your teeth all full of chocolates.
Wait, this. Oh, I think I know now. Yeah. So, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.